Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essentials: battery level, Bluetooth hardware, and the accessories pairing mode. This avoids mid-pair failures. First, open Settings or swipe down to the Quick Settings panel and toggle Bluetooth on. You should see a spinning indicator or searching. Make sure the accessory is in pairing mode, often a long press or power cycle, and set your phone to visible if required. Once done, stay on the Bluetooth screen so devices can populate, and you can select the correct name when it appears. You now focus on the actual pairing step. Scan populated device names and pick the one matching the accessory label. When prompted, verify the confirmation code or accept the pairing request. Enter a PIN only if the accessory explicitly shows one. If the accessory requests permissions like microphone or contacts, grant them to enable calls and media controls. Otherwise, functionality may be limited. Make sure to name or tag the device if your phone offers it, so you can quickly identify it in future connections. To finish, verify the connection by playing audio or checking call routing. Set the accessory to auto-connect or trusted so it reconnects automatically. If you encounter problems, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then restart the phone. This clears transient radio conflicts. If that fails, choose Forget or Unpair on the phone and reset the accessory's pairing list before trying again. One key troubleshooting tip: interference from nearby Wi-Fi or many Bluetooth devices can block pairing, so
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.